Hello, and welcome to PreGel's Professional Training Center. I am Russ Thayer, Assistant Pastry Chef at PreGel America. Today, we are going to discuss and showcase how to create gelato art with gelato molds. Launched in 2013 at Sigep, the world's largest gelato show in Rimini, Italy, gelato molds demonstrate a new art form in gelato. The molds take gelato pans from visually appealing to stunning. They are also a great way to attract customers, build gelato cakes, and showcase the next level of gelato mastery. In the videos to follow, we will demonstrate 3 of the molds that range from easy to intermediate in terms of execution. We invite you to learn more about these dynamic molds and all of PreGel's other dessert ingredient solutions by visiting our website or contacting your sales representatives directly. We look forward to working with you.
In this demonstration, we will be creating gelato art with gelato molds. We have selected leaf, flower, and turtle molds for this demonstration, but any gelato mold in our line can be used to create visually stunning gelato art. Visit www.pregelamerica.com to view our full line of available molds. We will be using the following gelato molds and flavors. For the gelato leaves, gelato leaf mold and crema pistachio gelato. For the gelato flowers, gelato flower mold, oro di oro, custard gelato, and raspberry sorbetto. For the gelato turtle, gelato turtle mold, fior di latte gelato, green pure pistachio gelato, chocolate gelato, and melted chocolate in a paper cone. Before you begin, prepare all of your gelato flavors. Visit the PreGel channel for an online video tutorial on how to make gelato and sorbetto. You will also need to place the molds on a silpat lined sheet tray and place in a blast freezer. Let's start with the leaf mold. Remove the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with crema pistachio gelato. And pipe the gelato into the mold. Using an offset spatula, remove the excess gelato from the mold and place back into the pan of crema pistachio gelato. Immediately place the mold into the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer and remove the gelato leaves from it. Place the leaves on a frozen silpat lined sheet tray and return to the blast freezer until ready to use. Decorate any gelato pan as desired with gelato leaves. For this demonstration, we are using chocolate gelato. Now, let's move on to the flower mold. Remove the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with oro di oro, custard, gelato. Pipe enough gelato to fill the center of the flower mold. Immediately place the mold into the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with raspberry sorbetto. Pipe enough gelato to fill the petals of the flower mold. Using an offset spatula, remove excess gelato from the mold. Immediately place in the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer and remove the gelato flowers. Place the flowers on a frozen silpat lined sheet pan and return to the blast freezer until ready to use. Decorate any gelato pan as desired with gelato flowers. For this demonstration, we are using oro di oro custard gelato. Last, the turtle mold. Remove the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with fior di latte gelato. Pipe enough gelato to fill the eyes of the turtle. Immediately place the mold in the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with chocolate gelato. Pipe enough gelato to fill the shell of the turtle. Immediately place the mold in the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer. Fill a piping bag with green pure pistachio gelato. Pipe enough gelato to fill the head and feet of the turtle. Immediately place in the blast freezer until the gelato becomes hard. Retrieve the mold from the blast freezer and carefully remove the turtle from the mold. To create the pupils in the eyes, pour the melted chocolate into a paper cone. Dot the chocolate onto the white of the eyes. Immediately place the mold in the blast freezer until the chocolate becomes hard. Decorate any gelato pan as desired with the turtle. For this demonstration, we are using green pure pistachio.